Hi, this is Cindy from GloryStar, and thank you for visiting our booth today at the ISE 2023. And today here we have our new series, the Magnetar Weatherproof IP65 in the front glass device and IPX2 at the back. So these devices here are designed for outdoor environments, and you can use it in bars, in gaming, in EV charging applications. And so the devices come, as you can see, there are 4 mounting brackets where you can easily mount them and flush mount them into kiosk stands, or you can remove them and it will become an all-in-one device. The devices are 1000 nit brightness, as well as it's fingerprint and scratch resistant. All these devices can run on Android platform or the Windows Celeron i3 and i5 platform. Again, for all the GloryStar devices on the Android platform, it comes with a license-free Staros kiosk mode application, as well as allowing you to connect the devices to cloud through our Star Control platform to remotely control all the devices. So for more information, please go to www.glorystartouch.com, and thank you so much for your time.